Let's take a look at the chart for Shiba. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We had a big falling channel, falling wedge, something like this. We started to get support down here. We had support, support, support. Let's do another trend line like this. And then we started testing this bottom trend line right here. We actually broke out. And what I'm looking at now is some previous resistance. So we have some resistance right here, and it does look like we are passing that area. Let's go ahead and do a horizontal line, maybe something like this. And as you can see, it does look like we are passing this level right now. So the next level that I'm be looking at is this area up here. I don't know, maybe something, let's be conservative about it and put it down here, something like that at 0.0000475. From here, from where we are right now to over here is around 27%. I'm not sure how long this momentum is going to keep going to the upside, but this is the next previous resistance, and we were in a falling wedge, falling channel pattern. So the next spot that I would look for is resistance. We broke above the 9 moving average on the daily time frame. This is a good sign. The next thing we could look at is the weekly time frame. This weekly 9 moving average is sitting over here. It's a little lower than the target. This one is sitting at 0.00004491 right here. From where we are right now to this 9 moving average is around 19%. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're getting some pretty good candles on the 4-hour. We have a nice green volume candle going right here that we just got. So what I'll be kind of looking at is maybe this support right here and then this support right here. Let's do a trend line going to the upside like this. This kind of gives us something to watch. If we break this trend line going to the downside, then we can use it as a signal that we might be changing direction. It also looks like we're breaking the 4-hour 180 moving average, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's a good sign. I guess what we want to see is, can we stay above this 180 moving average on the 4-hour? Or is this going to give us trouble right now? We are in this resistance zone right here, so I'm kind of curious if we're going to be able to break out. If we go back to the 4-hour time frame, next target that I'm looking at, I think, is that daily 9 moving average right here at 0.00004458. And then we have that next resistance. This was on the daily time frame, the bodies of the daily candles. But then as you can see, like right here, we have this 4-hour, we're on the 4-hour, and we have this top over here. So let's do one more line, something like right here. This one is sitting at 0.0000538. These are just the next levels that I'm looking at, and this is the trend line that I'm watching until we break this trend line going to the downside. Then these are the levels that maybe we can target. I put in a small order at the breakout, nothing too crazy or nothing too big. I just kind of want to see how far this can go, because last time it did pretty good when, I mean, you guys know how Shiba went crazy. So what I was just watching is this downtrend. I was waiting for a breakout. I hit the breakout, just put a small order. I just put a small order in. Let's kind of see how far I can go to the upside. Right now it's already doing pretty good since the breakout. Since it broke right here, we're already looking at like 20%. I don't think I hit the breakout perfect. I think I went a little bit above it. I'm probably looking at more like 15% or something like that, but yeah, still pretty good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about Shiba. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you guys want to know what program I'm using, here's a playlist that will kind of give you a rundown on how to get started to follow along with my videos. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.